We have some PBA signings here for the Magnolia, Titan Ultra, and the Terra Firma Jeep. And first, for the Magnolia Hotshots, Rafi Verano completes Coach L.A. Tenorio's first ever lineup as a head coach. Kung tutuusin, hindi siya sobrang headlining na pick up pero napaka-underrated ng value. Verano is a versatile wing. May depensa, may hustle, at kayang gumawa ng contribution sa team offensively. And for Phoenix na naglaro siya ng 33 games, he averaged a modest numbers. Pero ang importante dito is yung role player mentality. For L.A. Tenorio na first time magko-coach, crucial na yung mga ganitong players na hindi demanding sa bola pero reliable sa execution. This also gives Magnolia deeper wing rotation behind guys like Rome De La Rosa, and wala pa naman kasi si Yukian Andrade na sa NCAA pa. So with Verano, Tenorio has a more balanced lineup na kayang sumabay sa physicality with some bigger teams. Ngayon, Titan Ultra, James Martinez is officially back after 13 years. So this is less more of about stats. It's more about locker room presence and experience. Martinez had a short stint with Powerade noong 2012 pero through the years, naglaro siya sa D-League, MPBL at abroad. Ang ibig sabihin nito, may dalang veteran IQ and composure siya para sa isang expansion team na Titan Ultra. Hindi naman siya expected na maging primary scorer, pero para sa bagong franchise na nagbuo-buo pa lang ng identity, pagkakaroon ng isang veterano na marunong sa situational basketball is a stabilizer. At huwag kalimutan, Titan Ultra's backcourt is so young, kailangan nila ng mentor type guard na kayang magturo on and off the court. Though, for me, meron pang available dyan na mga veterano, guys like JV Casio. So gagawan ko ng video yung mga available free agents. And finally, Jarek Ahan-Nisi signing with Terra Firma Jeep. So after weeks of uncertainty, finally over na. And this is a big one for Coach Ronald Tubid. Ahan-Nisi was one of the Magnolia's best shooters, hitting almost 39% from the 3-point distance. For a Jeep team na kulang sa outside threat, malaking tulong ito. Tsaka, dadami yung minuto niya dito eh. So, more than just shooting, Jarek has the potential to be a player na magkakaroon ng bigger role compared nung nasa Magnolia siya, where he was buried behind deeper guard rotation. Sa Terra Firma, pwede siyang maging top option eh sa perimeter alongside with Mark Nonoy. So, importante rin na bago magsimula ang season 50, na clear na yung kanyang status. Kasi kung hindi, mahihirapan ang Jeep na maghanap ng reliable scorer sa wing. So yun, Verano gives Magnolia depth and stability sa wing. Martinez provides leadership at veteran presence for Titan Ultra. And Ahan-Nisi gives Terra Firma instant offense and floor spacing. So, tatlong iba't ibang signing. So, lahat yan crucial sa kanilang mga team. And sa tingin nyo, sino yung may magandang signing sa tatlo ito? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Egon Hoop. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye!